Hello everybody, today we are going to solve this question. This is a geometry question from SAT practice test number 1, no calculator section. Please try to read it and then we will solve it together. As you can see, there are two triangles connected together, and in such cases you as a student have to know that if they're connected by the same segments, for example here we got a connection at point B and that connection is done with the segments AC and ED, that means these triangles are proportional. The question gave us the measures of four sides, so AB, EB, BD and CD. So let's first label all of the measures. Now that we have labeled, we need to read the question, and the question actually starts right here. What is the value of x, right? So this is what we're asked for. We're asked to find the value of x. How many feet is this segment here? Well, we need to understand if that these two triangles are connected in such a way that they're proportional to each other. This proportion can be determined from either the opposite sides, right? So x feet and 800, or the sides that are, so to say, adjacent to each other, right? Here. Okay, so 1400 and 700 can tell us the proportionality ratio. What we need to do to find that proportionality ratio is we need to divide 1400 by 700. That gives us a 2. This 2 means that this triangle is actually 2 times larger than this triangle, and so all of the opposite sides will be larger as well by that proportionality 2. So in order to find x feet, we need to multiply the opposite side, right? The side that is right across it by 2. So x is going to be 2 times 800, proportion times the opposite side, or the side right across that segment, and that gives us 1,600. Let's also find the measure of side BC, for example. Well, we see that adjacent to it is 1,800. Now in this case, in order to find segment BC, we need to divide 1,800, the adjacent side, by 2. Why? Because this side is actually 2 times smaller than this side. This is a rule, and therefore we have to divide. We find the segment BC to have a measure of 900 feet.